Hey everyone, in this quick tech how-to video, I'm going to show you how to find your Replay 2021 inside of Apple Music. It's that time of year again, where you may be seeing everyone posting their Spotify Wrapped playlist all over social media. But what if you don't use Spotify? I, for instance, use Apple Music more. While we might not get a fancy story post yet, Apple does put together a yearly replay playlist of our most played songs. To find this, open Apple Music. Make sure that you're on the Listen Now tab on the bottom left and then scroll almost all the way to the bottom. Here you'll see the Replay Your Top Songs by Year section. You can scroll to the side also and look at all of your previous years. I'll head back over and then choose 2021. You will then find a playlist that is updated weekly that features the top songs that you've listened to inside of Apple Music in that year. You can then play straight through or shuffle, and also can add the playlist to your library by hitting the plus sign at the top. And if you want, you can manually share your playlist by hitting the three dots on the top right, choosing Share Playlist, and then sharing through one of the ways available inside of here. We'll see if in the future Apple decides to add a social media story post like Spotify offers, but for now, this is our only option. And that's how you find your Replay 2021 inside of Apple Music. Thanks for watching, please like and subscribe and stay tuned for more quick tech how-to videos.